In order to reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to Settings, scroll all the way down, and then you should be able to find General Management, and then go here. Now scroll down a little bit again and choose Reset, and then here, if you scroll down one more time, you should be able to find some reset options. So in order to reset network settings, if by network you mean Wi-Fi, then you have reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, which resets both at the same time. After that, you will need to sign in, or actually enter the password to your Wi-Fi network again in order to reconnect. If you have issues with mobile data, then in that case you have reset mobile network settings, and here you should be able to also choose which SIM card you want to reset if you have more than one. And that is pretty much it. And last but not least, we also have reset all settings, but it seems that this one doesn't really work for network, so you probably won't need it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!